Now let's learn about how to take aggressively your staking positions. I mean, aggressively, you can see it clearly, right? In the last chart, in the last episode, I showed you the conservative way of staking your positions, where we were taking the major only, the major 3 entries that we saw. But if you want to be so aggressive and you see that the trend is pretty bearish, momentum is pretty bearish or bullish, and there is a big news, along with the big news the technicals are saying that the market will continue to move down, then what you can do, you can aggressively also take your positions, stake your positions on every support level. If you're shorting on every support level broken out, you can take 1 entry. How many entries happened here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All right. And it can be continued like this one also, 6, you can take 1 more, right? So this is how the aggressive entries are taken.